Hello everyone, this is Teacher Rockie and welcome back again to our YouTube channel. For today's video we will discuss to you what is reused content and what are the content that acceptable and not acceptable to this YouTube policy. So if you are interested to this topic, just watch this video until the end. Hello again everyone, thank you for always watching our videos. We come up to this content because some of our viewers are requesting about this topic, especially those newbie creator, because some of them don't know about this YouTube policy. To start, let's talk about what is reused content. Reused content refers to channels that repurpose someone else's content without adding significant original commentary or educational value. Meaning, to be able to have a content, you just steal or get other videos' content and just upload it to your channel without editing or adding some educational value to it. This YouTube policy is very important, especially if you are a content creator who don't have original content, like your content are reaction video, movie or sports reviews, or creating new script for some drama or movies. You must need to be aware for this because your channel may flag reused content by YouTube if you don't properly follow this policy. This kind of YouTube policy is applied to your channel as a whole, so you must be careful, because if you violate this policy, your channel won't be accepted to YouTube Partner Program and all your effort will be wasted. To continue, let's discuss what is allowed to monetize in YouTube if you are using other contents or if you don't have original content. First is using clips for a critical review. Second is a scene from a movie where you've rewritten the dialogue and changed the voiceover. Third is replays of a sports tournament where you explain the moves of a competitor did to succeed. Fourth is reaction videos where you comment on the original video. Fifth is edited footage from other creators where you add a storyline or commentary. And last, remixed content on shorts where you add original content to a song from our library or the original audio or video segment from other videos. So if all your content is related to those mentions, you must be creative on how to deliver your videos or content. And additionally, even though you don't violate reused content policy, other policy may still apply to your channel, like copyright if some claim the ownership of the video, clip or music you uploaded to your channel. Now, let's discuss what are the content that violates reuse content policy. First is, if you are taking someone else's content, making minimal changes, and calling it your own original work. Second is, clips of moments from your favorite show edited together with little or no narrative. Third is, short videos you compiled from other social media websites. Fourth is, collections of songs from different artists, even if you have their permission. Fifth is, the content you upload are uploaded many times by other creators. And last is, promotion of other people's content. If you think you are doing some of this in your channel, stop it right now. YouTube always makes sure they rewarding creators for original and authentic content that adds value to viewers. So be creative in creating your own content, and we advise that if you have planned to monetize your YouTube channel, please just create original content, because if you upload not original content, there is no assurance if your YouTube channel will be accepted to YouTube Partner Program. This is the end of this video. If you have any questions or suggest, just share it in the comment section or message us in our Facebook page. Teacher Rockie. Thank you for watching.